up, y'all? It's your girl Now Day on Play, and I'm back with another video. And yeah, I really didn't have to do my intro because I'm gonna do it anyways. But so today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I do my wig installs with no braids, because I've been wanting to just do something real quick and look cute. So first things first, I'm gonna take your hair and I'm gonna just put my hair in a ponytail in the back. It don't have to be the slickest, it don't have to be none of that. My head size is on the smaller side, so like I don't have to do as much to slick it, but if your head is like bigger, you might wanna really get into it and slick it. So I'm just brushing my hair back. Like I'm really on some lazy stuff this time, so I'm gonna take my hair tie and pull it back as low as you can, like as low as you can, and then tie it. I'm gonna show y'all. So this is what, I don't know if y'all can see, but this is what the ponytail look like. So I want to snatch out the hair that's pulling back. One thing I hate is when my hair is tight. Okay. So then you want to flip your hair up. So flip it like this, flip it up, and we're going to take some hairpins, and I'm going to pin my real hair down.
Conversation is so boring. Heard about what I hate her, I don't agree. I did it first. I give a fuck. I just want fun.
Okay, so this is about good. Show it off. It don't look cute. It's not gonna look cute. Got to be gel. Can y'all see? And I'm just gonna apply that to the front of my hairline.
Stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Brother get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out Switch and Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go.
Whatever. So now I'm gonna take our cap and we're gonna put it on our head. Of course, we're gonna kind of tailor it a little bit. Voila, we have a braid down. But I won't, if you plan on having your wig on, what the freak? If y'all plan on having your wig on for a long time, don't do this method. Just go ahead and braid your hair down so it can last. There we go. Cut some holes for the ears.
When in the field, when I'm around, you come and go. Many
so this is what I've been using. I haven't been using the Got To Be because that's just not for me no more. So I'm just spraying it on. If anybody want to know where I got this spray from, I got it from Walmart. This at Walmart, it's probably at Target or somewhere else. But this, for one, it dries way faster. For two, it has a stronger hold. I was using the Even spray, but I have right now, and I didn't feel like going to the hair store, and Walmart was closer. So I was around Walmart, see what I could find. I found this, and I love this. It's very, very strong, y'all. So even if you want to do a little glueless install, there you go. We're gonna let the spray dry down, and once it's dry, I will be back. So now that it's dry, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace. So I'm just gonna cut it to my hairline. I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my back, and I've already started like applying the glue. Let me move the camera because I've been filming on my TikTok. So I've been applying the glue. I'm gonna do 4 layers, and basically everything is very self-explanatory after this. So we're just doing 4 layers. Wait till each layer dry clear before you add the next, and yeah, that's pretty much it for now. I already applied the makeup to my cap and the makeup to my wig, so I will be putting it on here shortly. Sorry y'all, I'm recording for TikTok too, so if y'all see me looking at my phone, I'm recording. So now the glue is dry, and I'm about to lay the lace onto the glue. So yeah, I'm about to start doing that now.
You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. They my last, I know I can up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rules, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rats, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. We can hit after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I brought everybody. Lost and toppers and infants for everyone. Take the roof on the collar up for the sun. I'm gonna see his pop by 5,000 months. Got this bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in a gut. Nigga gon' run for my problems, we stacking up wallow and gualo and try get it mega book. See them drip, little nigga, best watch your step. This top shelf, got 40 designer belts. OTF, look like the new BMW. They gon' jump, got clothes in my right or left. How you crack up the car, ain't no key in them. Just put us in they pockets, get out of there. They gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat the hoe like a tire, I keep a spell. On the stuff because I'm warring. Check the tracks, I'm counting more fake. Sky scrollers, really in the prison. 150 trying, Richard Mello. But they got me to his empty. Look, cause I spit that flavor to the empty. I am not a killer, but I'm telling you, I'm spending rate 5,000 to a 50. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with slides and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. They my last, I know I can up.
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want like. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want like. Bitch stay mad, let's keep it a beam. When they be mad, I be on the scene. Ass too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, but it's not what it seems. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. Fucking with niggas that's toting a beam. Saying you love me, but what do you mean? Pretty ass fucking ain't like that I mean. Baddest bitch, how you shitting me? If you ain't a baddie, can't sit with me. I swear that these bitches my mini-me's. He wanna sex, niggas be dreaming. I'm from the X, niggas be scheming. I'm on their necks, niggas not breathing. I'm in a check, blow they need me. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want like. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want like. Bitch on my body, I get what I please. You know my body, I do it with ease. You in my body, he telling me please. I'm walking past me, sniffing my breeze. He jacking me, but he not my boo. He like the jewelry I wear on my boobs. How can I link you when I got a shoe? Don't want your love, I just want the blue. Grabbing my ass while I'm doing my dance. She come on staring cause shorty a fan. Gotta stick to the plan. He mad as fuck, I won't give him a chance. But still he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. But still he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want like. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want like.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you.
So I finished curling my hair. I took my band off, and you can see it's giving scalp. So probably should start in the back, huh? Yeah, I did my nails, my lashes. I done came back a whole new woman. Literally. Yo, these curls took me forever. I didn't record doing it, but if y'all want an in-depth tutorial on how I do these curls, please let me know. It's literally a curler. I mean, a regular curl with a curling iron. But a lot of people I run across don't know how to use a curling iron, which is crazy to me.
Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
So I'm finished. This is the finished product. I'm gonna show you guys the back. Y'all can see. Hold on, so y'all can see that it's not lumpy. But yeah, that's really the end of the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned. And I'll see you in the next video.